What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Dustin with Jersey Shore Drainage Solutions, and today we're going to help fix another yard from eroding everywhere by extending out their downspout properly. So let's get into it. All right, well, what we got going on right now is they had this all set up at one point. The problem is the velocity of everything coming out of the pavers is just coming down, eating up all the ground, making everything go. That's why we have a big divot here and everything. And it's just slowly eating away everything, making everything roll down, go on the walkway, just build up everywhere, and it's killing the grass. So what we're going to do now is have this under the ground come out around here to a pop-up, so then that way we don't have the velocity of everything coming down, so the water can just build up, overflow, and then gently go down and not erode everything. So let's get started. And here we go. Now it's all completely dug out. Didn't break any sprinkler lines, broke through a bunch of roots. Now time to pipe all this up so everything can come down here and build up and then gently overflow and go down to the street. Let's get piping. All right, now everything is completely piped up and done. As you can see, we had to go through the tree roots and everything. It's got to be kicked off the concrete a little bit. We got the clean out downspout adapter. We are completely downhill. And it goes down more. It's even more all the way downhill, so the water has no choice but as soon as it comes down, comes straight all the way down here to the mini dry well, which I always tell people, please drill holes at least a minimum of 1 inch. Put your rock and everything underneath it. Have your filter cloth. You'll burrito wrap all of this so that way this can last for as long as possible. The water comes down, starts to build up the mini dry well first. Once that maxes out, and as it's trying to build up, it's also draining back into the ground, but then it builds up, comes out, and then it'll just gently be able to overflow and come down here, and then be less likely to cause erosion and everything from it just coming out how it was before, jetting out right onto the ground, eating a big hole, and then causing a bunch of dirt and everything to move. So now time to backfill, show you how it all works. And this is how you test the system. You flood it into the downspout. Any water at all is going to end up coming down here. Here it comes. You can hear it. It's going to rush immediately into here. Start filling up the mini dry well. Once the mini dry well finally maxes out, everything's just going to build up and overflow. Now we just have to wait. And there we go. Once enough builds up, this is just off hose pressure. Once in actual rain, this will be up a little higher, exuding all the water out. But now it's all going to nicely come over and everything instead of having to cascade like a waterfall. It's exactly how you eliminate water from eroding your yard, flooding your crawl, basement, by extending out your downspouts. Another job well done by Jersey Shore Drainage Solutions. As always, like, share, comment, subscribe. And until the next one.